You have two papers and each paper is divided into two sections. Paper 1 is physical anthropology. And first section is physical anthropology, second section is socio-cultural anthropology. Socio-cultural anthropology. Broadly you can divide anthropology into paper 1 into physical or biological anthropology and socio-cultural anthropology. And again paper 2 is about India. It is Indian anthropology. Indian anthropology. Then again tribal India. Tribal India. There are some standard books to read about these topics. There are some standard books, but what I used to do is that we just follow one particular material. It is provided a Braintree material. Braintree is a coaching institute in Hyderabad, and they provide a material called Braintree. The name of the material is just Braintree. If you write in your Amazon, Google, you will find a material. It will cost around 600 rupees. You can order it, or you can download the soft copy from the internet itself. Soft copy to अपन दिखला लेगा काम सपना है ना, तो तुम्हारे तो कितना पड़ेगा. तो कोड में एक होगा, कोड जो बुक मटेरियल में एक होगा, Braintree मटेरियल कोड होगा. ये बार बुक जो है, बुक वाला मैंने रेफर में पूरे टाइम कर दिया. ठीक है. स्टेप बाय स्टेप में एक्वाइजन देते तब कौन कौन होगा. तो फिजिकल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी का जो बेस्ट बुक हमें मालूम है तो पीनाट. This book is very comprehensive and very good book, but it contains lot of things that you do not need. It contains lot of things from biological perspectives. Extra knowledge है ना, जुटा हम ना लगे, लेकिन हम बिना तो knowledge का refer न करो, क्योंकि generally anthropologist ने बिना तो किन्हीं, ठीक है. One more option you have B.M. Das, Pina or B.M. Das. B.M. Das. तो APSC जिन्हें डिवाइड होने लगे, APSC जब डिवाइड होने लगा, B.M. Das तो ना बिना तो कंपाउंड है B.M. Das तो, कारण B.M. Das तो मैंने कि जनरली हमारा प्रोफेसर पे फॉलो करा B.M. Das को, तो यार लैंग्वेज तो मैं अपन फॉलो करा, तो मतलब ये यहाँ पर जो बुकिश लैंग्वेज जो आने पर मतलब यहाँ पर, तो मतलब मार्क्स पर ट्रांसफर जैसे B.M. Das, तो मतलब B.M. Das तो लोग पे पतला परफॉर्म बेस करना, किंतु मेनली UPSC लेवल में पीना होकर फॉलो करना, पीना, ठीक है. जिप नटा लोगों के लिए टुकड़ा बना लगा तो तो तुम्हारे जितना डाल लो एक्चुअली मैं तुम्हारे बुक में रेफर करके निकले तुम्हारे को वन डे में मुझे तुम्हारा पढ़ाम जिंदो मैं यहाँ पर पढ़ाम ये तो कोड मटेरियल है ये भी कोड है हमें यहाँ एक्स्ट्रा पे ऐड है कोई नहीं ठीक है मेनली ये तो कोड का मटेरियल जो हमें ऐड है कोई नहीं बिना तो कर बीएम डाल देना सोशल कल्चर एंथ्रोपोलॉजी जो ऐड के बेस में जाता है क्या है ऐड के बेस but still it is not required. This material will cover everything. After the material. Population is a Braintree. Indian anthropology is still in focus. Nadeem Hasnain. अरे बहुत ही ऐसे करना होगा ना बहुत ही ऐसे मानो खाली माने के मेन इधर ने माने वैसे फॉलो करें. Nadeem Hasnain and tribal India again Nadeem Hasnain. Now all these things given by their different books, different writers are easily available in this material only Braintree. So we are going to thoroughly follow this material Braintree and read this material only. We are going to get everything. It is there. Nadeem Hasnain ji लिखी है Indian anthropology बहुत जी तुम्हारा tribal India लिखी है tribal बहुत ये दबा में होगा ठीक है. Physical anthropology based book on Braintree material. Then again social culture anthropology again this is enough. हमें रिसर्च के होने लगा ना हमें एमए एनफॉर्म एंथ्रोपोलॉजी का हमें पीएचडी डिग्री करने को है वी हैव टू जस्ट क्लियर द एग्जाम राइटिंग मेन मोटिव हमारा राइटिंग होगा नॉलेज तो लगी हुई क्लास में नॉलेज होगा बट मेन मोटिव हमारा राइटिंग में जिमान कंटेंट लगे इट हैज एनफ इट डू नॉट कवर 100% मैं लोगों ने 100% कवर करे एक्स्ट्रा दिन को लगे हुए मैं कोई नहीं पढ़ूं बेले तो नो स्टूडेंट मान लो क्यों तुम्हारे जो नीति ना हो भी सारा कौन डेटा सोच जाएगा काम में इनफले ভাল হয় যেটা তোমাক অপশনাল সিস্টেম আছে কিনফলে ভাল কেটে বেলে রেফার দিও পাইবা কিন্তু মেইনলি তোমাক এই মেটেরিয়াল লোৰ কম বেনিফিট হৈ যাব গোটেই হৈ যাব মোৰে এখনে ফলো কৰোঁ এইটো বুক আছে মোচন খালি নকৰিলে হৈ যাব না কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ এটা চাই আছো না গম পাইছো না এইটো ফলো কৰিলে হৈ যায় গোটেইখিনি ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা বস্তু কমকে দি আছে তুমি এটা এড কৰি দিব পাৰিবা ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে এইটো ফলো কৰিব বেনিফিট আৰু বহুতখিনি মাৰ্কেট আছে মেটেৰিয়েল বেজ ছাৰৰ আছে মেটেৰিয়েল তোমাৰ নিৰাকৰণ নোটছ আছে বহুতখিনি নোটছ আছে খালি এটা ফলো কৰিব বেছি নালাগে মেটেৰিয়েল আমি কম ৰাখিবা আমি কম কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম যাতে তোমালোকে ফ'কাছটো জিএছত ৰাখিব পাৰা বেলেগত ৰাখিব পাৰা ইংলিছত ৰাখিব পাৰা কম কৰি বেছি মাৰ্কছ আনিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম আমি বেছি মাৰ্ক কেতিয়া দিব আমি বেছি নলেজ হ'লে নাপাওঁ মাৰ্কছ কেতিয়া পাম আমি কেতিয়া পাম বেছি লিখিলে ভালকৈ লিখিলে হয় নাই বেছি লিখিলে নাপাম হয় নাই ভালকৈ লিখিলে ৱেইটেজ হ'ব লাগিব ৱেইট দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ প্ৰেডিক্টেবল কুৱেশ্যন ৰিপিটেটিভ ইন নেচাৰ questions are predictable repetitive in nature means if we solve the last 10 years of questions in UPSC if we solve the last 10 years of questions in UPSC the same questions will find in APSC there will be some changes in language but the same questions will come 99% of questions will be repetitive 99% eta 1% kiba ki bojo pare but still na to amar ki hobo plan to ki thaibo plan is that we will stick with a limited material that is Braintree. I am not promoting any institute here, but they have to follow it. Itu kobo na rakuma rakhaw na recording hoise ta ma kobo lebo bane. ঠিক আছে আৰু আমাৰ প্ল্যানটো কি হ'ব স্ট্ৰ্যাটেজি কি হ'ব মই বিগিনিংত কৈছো মাৰ্কছৰ কাৰণে আমি কৰিছো নলেজ লাগিব মাৰ্কছৰ কাৰণে কৈছো মাৰ্কছটো তোমাৰ কেনেকৈ আহিব আমাৰ মোটিভ কি আছিল our target is 280 plus out of 500 our target is 280 plus. The main mark will come from physical anthropology will give you marks all the main marks will give physical anthropology will provide you the marks কাৰণ technical ji ase তারপরে আমি লিখে তার মার্কস দিব কোন কাটে না physical anthropology like technical surveillance geography physical anthropology this is socio cultural anthropology অকমান তোমাৰ মার্কস আনিব কাৰণ দিগদাৰ হ'ব পাৰে ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ বেকৰ বস্তু ঠিক আছে অকমান দিগদাৰ হ'ব কাৰণ বহুত বেছি আমি ডিপলি কৰিব নালাগে সোশিও কালচাৰ যিমান লাগে আমি ইমান পঢ়িলে আমি ৰিভাইজ কৰি থাকিম ৰাইটিং কৰি থাকিম তেতিয়ালৈকে আমি ইমপ্ৰুভ কৰিম এনসাৰটো যাতে তাতো মাৰ্কস আমি পাৰো then Indian anthropology about India about Indian civilization Indian society casteism origin of Hinduism different religions in India then origin of Buddhism over effect of Buddhism in Indian society effect of Jainism in Indian society effect of Hinduism Islam in Indian society all these things then how the impact of these religions on tribes of India in tribal part will be how this religion has affected the tribes of India please understand so this second paper is not very difficult it is of GS level তোমালোকে পেপাৰ 2 টো পঢ়া তোমালোকে GS ৰ তোমালোকৰ কাম আহিব ডাইৰেক্টলি এসএ টো কাম আহিব আৰু তোমালোকৰ যেটো পেপাৰ 1 2 it will work in ethics and essay because we are going to read socio-cultural society culture all these concepts we are going to read here thoroughly conceptually then it is going to help you in ethics paper and also in GS1 yes sir but this Indian part will help you essay other GS papers also so paper 2 আমি কি আমি যেটা আমি ভাবি লৈছো এটা the exam is going to be held on July so before prelims we will try to finish the paper 1 ঠিক আছে আমি হেৰি নলও আৰু এনা কৰি দিও এন্ট্ৰি শেষ কৰি দিম বুলি ফিনিশ হ'ব এটা পসিবল নহয় মানে প্ৰ্যাকটিক্যালি কৈছো আমি পসিবল নহয় ফটাফট শেষ কৰি কোনো লাভ নাই আমাৰ কি থাকিব there will be 2 class per week আৰু মাজতে গেপ হ'ব তোমালোকৰ তুমি গেপ হ'ব তোমালোকৰ বেলেগ সাবজেক্ট পঢ়িব তোমালোকৰ subject 3 hours you have to save per day 3 hours you have to save for anthropology maximum or if you are working then you can save 1.5 hours so তোমালোকে কাম কৰি থাকিবা 1.5 hour পঢ়িবা তোমালোকে anthropology নিজে হিচাপে তুমি ডিভাইড কৰি ল'বা 3 hours means once I have completed one topic you will get remaining 5 days মাজত gap থাকিব 5 days or 5 days gap in this 5 days gap this 2 class you have to read in 2 days you have to complete by yourself read it from the material Braintree okay Braintree you have to read it from the Braintree in 2 days you just complete you just revise whatever I have taught in the class you will revise it and next 3 days you use this knowledge in writing I will provide you questions in the group itself previous year's questions starting from last 10 years from the same topic the particular topic that I have finished and from the topic there will be questions and you have to write by yourself I am not going to give you any model answer in the very beginning I am not going to give you any model answer there are also many books are available in the market where you can find model answer but it is not going to work in the exam so model answer mein nalage bisod jeta dharka hoy eta time of examination and last point of ei tomala perfect ho gela likhi mile लास्ट टाइम तुम्हारे मैं दिम बस्तु तुम्हारे जाते এটা গম এটা পাবা না মডেল আনসার কেনে রাখা থাকে কিন্তু মই মডেল আনসার মানে নাচালেও হৈ যাব না তোমালোক 1 to 1 ইভালুয়েশন হ'ব ঠিক আছে proposal question in next 3 days you have to write this question in next 3 days in your own language in your own language you are not going to follow the book language of the book in your own language whatever you have understood from this concept whatever you have understood in the class revise it from the book and write the answers in your own language ठीक है own language question মানে কি যেটি নয় বলবে মানে কি তুমি বুঝিছা কনসেপ্ট है ना একেবারে কোনিয়া কোনি দিবা পর্যায়ে কথা কথা মানে লেভেল থাকিব লাগিব মানে লেভেল থাকিব লাগিব কিতাপত যে কৈছো মানে কিতাপৰ লেংগুৱেজ নহয় নিজৰ লেংগুৱেজ মানে তুমি বুজিছা তোলা মানে কি ইউপিএসসি এপিএসসি দুটা পার্সপেক্টিভ পঢ়া নহয় ইউপিএসসি কি লাগে তোমাক ভিতৰৰ পৰা লাগে আনসাৰটো ঠিক আছে এপিএসসি দালকে বস্তু অহা নাই এটালৈকে পাহি বুলি আশা কৰিছো এবাৰ ঠিক আছে তো এপিএসসি বুকিশ লেংগুৱেজ চাই জানকে বুকিশ লেংগুৱেজ চাই তো সেইকাৰণে বিএম জাস্ট চেনেল ফলো কৰা तो तुम्हारा कोई बार मतलब क्वेश्चन पाबा पर डे पर after 2 days after finishing a particular topic will be provided questions previous year questions ठीक है जब बोझो तुम्हारा पढ़िबा जाने at the end of the syllabus paper 1 है गूगल पेपर तुम्हारा प्रीलिम्स आइ দিব না प्रीलिम्स সব আহি দিব না তো তোমালোক মডেল হে দি দিও মানে কি হলো মডেল क्वेश्चन যে দিয়ে क्वेश्चन যে নিদিম তোমালোক প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার क्वेश्चन তো পেপার 1 কইবা তোমালোক কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার তোমালোক অলরেডি 3 क्वेश्चन আছে কইলা কারণ क्वेश्चन বোৰ রিপিট হ'ব next after your prelims we'll start with model questions जो होगा तुम्हारे को टीम में ठीक है सर मॉक टेस्ट होगा तुम्हारे पेपर 1 मॉक टेस्ट होले पेपर 1 तुम्हारा पेपर 2 लगे स्टार्ट हो जाए पढ़ाबा ना पेपर 2 टेने का खेलबो कारण पेपर 2 तुम्हारा जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन करा इवन नकरो जो पेपर 2 डेटा तुम्हारे का आ जाए मार्क्स का रहेगा पेपर 2 इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट within 1 week also you can finish paper 2 by yourself but Indus Valley civilization को तुम्हारे Indus Valley civilization Vedic burner system वो जो तुम्हारे then the caste system origin of caste system all these things are there then religion origin of religion animism animatism all these things will be there primitive cultures tribes of India is factual as possible because আমি গম পাম there is a permanent question one question is fixed the question is that what are the problems of Indian tribes this is a fixed question what are the problems of Indian tribes every year we will find this question তুমি যদি এন্ট্রোপি ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড হয় তুমি যদি ইন্টারভিউ যাবা তো আপনি এটা অপশন ফিল করবা ইন্ডিয়ান ট্রাইবস এর উপর কি জানতে হবে what are the problems faced by Indian tribes তো এটা ট্রাইবস এর মানে আমি বেসিক্যালি ফোকাস করব ট্রাইবস আমার মার্কস দিব কোবরা ট্রাইবস আমার মার্কস দিব পেপার 2 দিব আর পেপার 1 এর মার্কস দিব ফিজিক্যাল অ্যানথ্রোপোলজি তো অ্যাকর্ডিংলি আমি বেশি ফোর্স টু বেশি টাইম টু বেশি প্রেসার আমি ডাক দিন জন্য আমি বেশি মার্ক দিব ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে আমি মেটেরিয়াল দিছিলো আমি বেন্ট্রিক ওটা নাগিনা থাকে না जब मैं तुम्हारे को बेंटिया जो पोर्शन पढ़ाबो গৈছিলো তাক মই তোমার ফটো লৈ আছে ফটো মই তোমার লগত পঠাই দিছো আছে তুমি লাগে জানো ওপেন করে দিছো যেটো যাচ্ছে 29 যাচ্ছে 29 মাসে সেটা খুলে দিবা কারণ আমি ফলো লিখে বুকখানে ফলো করি আমি স্ট্রিক্ট থেকে বুকখানে আমি বাইরে বেসিক না জাইমান নলেজ হল না নলেজ বহুত এন্ট্রোপোলজি এর পাঁচ সাবজেক্ট বহুত নলেজ আছে আমি ইমান মানে নলেজ লৈ ঘুৰি নুফুৰো আমি স্ট্রিক্ট থাকিম বুকটো আমি বুকটো ফলো করি এই বুকটো ফলো কৰি ইয়াৰ পৰাই হ'ব সব ঠিক আছে এখানে তোমালোকে বুকখন যিমান পেপাৰ লৈ ল'বা যেনেকৈ নোলোৱা তোমালোকে যাওঁচোন না তোমালোকে ফটোকপি দি পঠাই দিম বাৰু মই এই ফটোকপি এটা দিছোঁ যোনটো পিডিএফখন পঠাইছে সেই পিডিএফখন খুলাই ল'বা The first topic in your anthropology syllabus is meaning, scope and development of anthropology. This is the introduction part. And physical anthropology start up on first we are going to define anthropology. Meaning, scope. Meaning of anthropology. divide the word in two parts. Anthropos means mankind. Okay, and logic means all you know, it is a study. Right, it is a study. Greek word anthropos means mankind, that is human being. Humans, study of humans. But iman to kalan hawa makan. Matlab fudiwa define anthropology. Interview today, case interview today. Nega hoja. Mukul is like what is the difference between sociology and anthropology? So first to differentiate between them, you have to know the meaning, the definition, the exact definition of anthropology and sociology or science. Anthropology is actually the study of human being, both from biological and cultural point of view. From biological perspective, and socio-cultural perspective. Socio-cultural perspective. Class to लोगों ने philosophy का बोलते हैं, चलो philosophy लगे technical ना class का. हमें बस absorb कर सकते हैं कि हमने की हो reality बोलते तो होगा कि माना origin की बोलते meaning तो क्या. Next class में तुम्हारे बोलते तो technical है. We are going to read humans from both biological perspective and socio-cultural perspective. As you know, humans are social animal, right? Human beings are social animal. Okay, our origin in biological sense, we are going to talk about our origin. Then development, origin, development, and evolution. It is the main theme of biology and anthropology. Evolution. We are going to read evolution under Lamarck and Darwin. Origin of Homo sapiens. Okay. Our boundary is Homo, the genus Homo. The genus Homo is our boundary. Okay. Homo sapiens. We belong to the species Homo sapiens. And Homo sapiens belongs to the animal kingdom. Homo sapiens belongs to the animal kingdom. Sapiens is the species and Homo is the genus. Okay. We have many relatives. Wherever you can find Homo, the name Homo, there is genus. Means they are our relatives, but we are not same. They are genus. Species. If they belong to the same species, generally we are same. If we belong to the same species, generally we are same. Sapiens, Homo sapiens. There are Homo habilis, there are Homo erectus. They were our relatives. We have originated from them. मुझे simply कौन Australopithecus. मैं simply को सुबह दिन ऐसे बाहर है कोई Australopithecus. ठीक है? Eggman. हमारे के they look like chimpanzee, gorilla type. Australopithecus. They were our source origin. Australopithecus. Then Homo habilis. Homo erectus. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. See, species, a particular species has the quality to breed among themselves. We call an animal a species, belong to a particular species when they can breed among themselves. Then only their species breed and they can produce a viable offspring. When two animals can breed and they can produce a viable offspring, meaning living reproduction living organism, offspring available, then only we say that they belong to the same species. These are Homo is genus habilis is species, means they can breed among themselves, but they cannot breed with Homo erectus. Okay, Homo erectus can breed among themselves, but not with sapiens, and Homo sapiens can breed among themselves, but not with other species. Okay, that is the main difference between the species. The main difference between the species is that breeding and production of viable offspring, living offspring. That is the main difference. So in biological anthropology, it is the origin of the species, how we have originated. We belong to a particular animal kingdom. Okay, we belong to primate. We are primates. Primates are a special class of mammals. Okay, mammals. I mean, we say extra biology. Then, origin biologically. Then development, how we have developed biologically. There were changes since we have evolved, since we have originated. There were changes in our body, physical changes. We used to walk on four arms. Four limbs. We used to walk on four limbs. We were brachiation. brachiated animals means we used to jump between the trees. I mean jump means we were monkeys in the beginning. Our origin is that we were monkeys in the beginning, and with time we started to come down on the surface, on the earth's surface. Then we started to stand. Homo erectus. We started to stand. Stand how to learn bipedalism means development of biological bipedalism. Bipedal. We started to stand in 2 legs and started to walk on 2 legs. Bipedalism. And before that we were quadrupedalism. Quadruples. Quadru means 4. We are walking on 4 limbs. Yes, still you can find our relatives, chimpanzees, gorillas. Gorillas कुछ करने से तो बर, जो तब लोग देखते हैं कुछ करने का गोरिल्ला, कुछ करे डबले कुछ करे कि निका मज़ा में हाथ यूज़ करे, देखा हाथ यूज़ को भी यार नहीं चलेगा, but human beings they do not use hand. We have evolved in such a manner, and this evolution we are going to deal more in different theories. Darwinism, okay. Before that Lamarckism will come. Darwinism, neo-Darwinism, synthetic theory, genetic based on genetics, all these things. We are going to deal with biological. And again, in the same manner, there was evolution. There was origin of culture. There was development of culture, social culture. Then there was evolution of culture. Still, culture is evolving. Still, the culture is evolving. Still, we are developing stage. We are in the development stage. Culture. We are learning from other cultures because of contact, cultural contact. Because of migration. Because of migration, we are coming in contact with other cultures. We are learning from them. It means human beings are evolving. Human beings are still evolving. They have evolved from long time and still they are evolving, both from the biological perspective and socio-cultural perspective. So when we talk about anthropology, the main focus is not biology here. The main focus here is society, the culture part. Society and culture part is the main focus here. In the very beginning, anthropology started from society only. We'll deal with that in our evolution, development of anthropology. Okay. So what I am trying to say is anthropology is the study of human beings, both from biological and cultural perspective, biological and socio-cultural perspective. Study of human beings from both biological and socio-cultural perspective. Boston for absorb sasta para. वो भी technical ना Boston language है socio-cultural perspective. There are many subjects to read about human beings. All the subjects actually read about human beings except few subjects. Then zoology होगा, botany होगा, ये बात देखला. There are many subjects, especially social science, sociology, economics, political science. They all read about human beings. They read about human beings, but about a particular behavior. They read about a particular behavior, a particular perspective. Economics talk about only economical perspective of human beings. Sociology talk about the society, modern society. Political science about the political setup, institutions like democracy, monarchy, all these things. There are geography about the art science, human geography, all these things are there. They read about human beings, but their perspective is limited. They only read only one aspect of living beings. But in anthropology, it combines all the knowledge. Anthropology is a combination of all the knowledge from all the subjects. And it gives a final behavior, a final shape to the human beings, and which reflects in the behavior of the human being. We are human beings, we have a particular behavior, right? And our behavior is not only shaped by our economic background. Our behavior is shaped by the political setup of the country, of the state. Our behavior is also set up by the history, our history. Our history will shape our behavior. Then also, directly or indirectly, it has shaped us. Then again, arts are a key subject. Art science, geography, climate of a particular place. It also shapes our behavior. Everything, there is a contribution to human beings. All the different subjects contribute from one particular angle. But in anthropology is a holistic science. Holistic means we are going to take the information, the knowledge from all these subjects. From all these subjects, we are going to take the information and we are going to apply on the human being, and we are going to see the final behavior of the human being. Different जीवन में पहले subject with जे contribution से सब contribution में combine करके human behavior को कहने का होगा. The main theme of anthropology is the reading of human behavior. the main theme of anthropology is reading about human behavior. আমার সাবজেক্ট এই আর্টসৰ সাবজেক্টৰ পৰা বেছি টানি আছে এনথ্ৰোপলজি না বিএসসিও কৰে কিন্তু বিএ ফলে বেছি মানে আর্টস সাবজেক্ট because we are giving more importance to our art subject, the social part, socio-cultural part. The socio-cultural part में बेसी ध्यान दीजिए है ना. In anthropology we are going to read about the humans from all the perspectives, including the animal behavior, that will be given by biological science, medical science, life science, zoology. They will provide the input from the biological perspective. So all the information will be collected and they will be applied on a human being, group of human beings of a particular culture or society. This knowledge will be applied on a particular culture, not in every culture. In a particular culture, it will be applied on a particular culture. Suppose there are different cultures in different part of the world. African culture, suppose there is a tribe in Africa, there is a tribe in Andaman, there is a tribe in northern states, America, Red Indians. So everywhere we are going to apply this information. Since they are very different, these people are very different from each other. Not only primitive but modern society also, Western society also, they are different. The Western culture of the Europe will be different from the Western culture of Assam. It will be different. I mean, we are following them. There is a different thing, but still we are different, right? The Western culture of Korea or Japan will be different from the Western culture of USA or Canada. The Western culture of Mexico will be different from the Western culture of Chile or Argentina. So all the cultures are different. They have differences. Now we are going to compare them. We are going to compare the differences and similarities. We are going to compare the differences and similarities between these cultures with the help of all these knowledges. We are going to apply all this information, biological information, how they have originated, how they have developed, how they have evolved biologically. Based on race. European race is different from the African race. African race is different from the Asian race. Right? So race will contribute in a biological evolution. Okay. The black people, they are more adaptable in hot conditions. The black people are more adaptable in hot conditions. The white people cannot. They are more adaptable in cold conditions. All these things will be applied. This background is feeding us. They are feeding the information. They are feeding the information from biological perspective. Then again from socio-cultural perspective, their art form, their history, their culture, right? Their ancestor, their traditions, their customs, their religion, their food habit, their clothing habit. All these things will again give us information, and all the information will be collected, and we are going to finally compare these people. We are going to compare these groups. In anthropology, we did groups, not single individual. We did groups. Socio-cultural groups. Okay, we are going to read them. We are going to compare them. These groups. You understand the question? Class level philosophy or what? क्या बुझी ना पन कब आप? Next time मैं philosophy और back to technical level है. And after comparing this everything, after comparing from every perspective, we are going to make some laws, general laws. We are going to make universal laws. We are going to make specific laws, rules. When there is similarity, it will give us general rules. Means the people of this place eat this same food. The people of this country also, of this type also eat the same food as a staple diet. Suppose they eat rice, they also eat rice. Okay, food is part of culture. Then again, it will come to a general rule that these people, their staple food is rice. या फिर clothing habit, जिन्होंने वहाँ पर है, या फिर religion, monotheism, या फिर polytheism वहाँ पर है. Suppose they pray only one single god, they pray only a single god, they pray two different gods, many gods. And based on that, again we are going to classify them. Okay? Then say specific, it will come under specific. If there is dissimilarity, it will come under specific. Their culture is specific, and their culture is different. Both of them have different specific cultures. There will be dissimilarity. And when there will be similarities, suppose both of them follow monotheism, then there will be similarity. We will bring them under same general rule, universal rule. That is monotheism. It is the universal rule. It will give us different laws, especially in sociology. You will find, in socio-anthropology, you will find different rules that is followed by different cultures. Same things followed by different cultures. So all these information are combined in anthropology. The overall view is now to define anthropology again. There are many big anthropologists, very philosophers. There are many philosophers in the very beginning. The term was given first by Herodotus in 5th century BC. The term anthropology was coined by Herodotus. Herodotus in the 5th century BC. Before Christ. Actually, anthropology has evolved since the beginning of human beings. Since the beginning of human beings, anthropology has evolved. What is anthropology? Curiosity. Curiosity to know about ourselves. From the very beginning. Everybody, all the philosophers, including normal human beings, they thought how we have come on earth, why we have come on earth, why we are different physically and culturally, why there is a difference, why we behave in different ways, why some of us behave in the same way. These questions has arisen since a long time. And that was the origin of anthropology. There was no any formal origin of anthropology. Formally, anthropology has came as a subject in 19th, 20th century only. 19th or 20th century only it has formally started to come. And before that, it was an evolving stage. Different philosophers come, they have questioned that both from religious perspective and scientific perspective. And religiously, we come, manho har mane kele ase manho bhagwan se kona na. And kele manho banale be man digda no problem. That time anthropology bani galo, bas eta halan galo. Where anthropology? Herodotus. He was a philosopher. Herodotus. So, first of all, what is development question? Development of anthropology question. First of all, knowledge to come. What is anthropology? Anthropology is the study of human beings, both from biological perspective and socio-cultural perspective. Biological and socio-cultural perspective means we have to know the biology of human beings, because biology has contributed to socio-cultural development. Biology has contributed to socio-cultural development. Our culture the first technology in human civilization is, what is the first technology in human civilization? Stone, right? Stone tools. Stone tools is the first technology in human civilization. Are stone tools how we have started to use stone tools? Because we could stand up in two legs. Our two hands were free. They could do something. They could do some work. And the first technology that we have evolved was the stone tool technology, stone tools. Most of the settlements in the very beginning were found nearby the river banks. Still you can find the high density settlement in the river banks. River banks is important.